Attention lawyers. What if I told you that QQQI could replace your whole entire salary? In this video, we're going to go over the numbers, and I promise you guys, the numbers are going to shock you. Now, most financial advisors will tell you that you need millions and millions of dollars to retire early, but in this case, you won't. Now, guys, what if I told you that you won't even need $2.5 million to achieve early retirement or financial freedom? But before we get to the topic, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes, so please do your own research. And guys, this video is scenario based. All right, guys, before we get to the numbers, let's go over some criteria. So we're only going to look at the U.S. national average salaries. Number two, we're only going to use QQQI dividends. No capital gains, no capital losses, no number of shares needed. Just pure 14% dividend yield. And last but not least, we're going to break the salary down into three categories: entry level, median level, and peak level salary. All right, guys, so let's get to the numbers. So an average entry level salary for a lawyer is $75,000 a year. So if we want to replace our $75,000 entry level salary for a lawyer, we're going to need to have $536,000 invested into QQQI. All right, next on our list is median salary. So the median salary for a lawyer is $125,000 a year. So if we wanted to place the median salary for a lawyer, we would need $839,000 invested into QQQI. All right, third and finally, peak salary. So a peak salary for a lawyer is $350,000 a year. So if we wanted to replace the average peak salary for a lawyer, we're going to have $2.1 million invested into QQQI. All right, guys, so let's do a brief overview of the lawyer salaries. So starting off at entry level, so we're going to need $536K in QQQI. Median level salary, we're going to need $839K in QQQI. Peak salary, we're going to need $2.1 million. And guys, these are salary averages. So how did I come up with these figures? So I came up with these figures by taking the average yearly salaries and dividing it by 0.14. Now, guys, that wraps up all the numbers, and you're probably looking at this video or watching the video, listening to the videos, whatever you're doing, and you're probably telling yourself, well, I don't have $600,000. I don't even have $2 million, and that's okay. And it's not about having a large sum of money. It's about working your way up to those figures. Guys, as long as you stay consistent and disciplined and invest in all types of markets, you're going to reach those figures. Also, guys, I am not telling you with this strategy, I'm not telling you that you're going to retire within 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. It might take you 34 years, 30 to 40 years. It's all going to depend on you. It's all going to depend on how much money you put into this ETF on a regular basis. Now, guys, before we wrap up this video, I just want to give a quick warning. Now, guys, we are talking about QQQI ETF, right? Just because QQQI is producing phenomenal returns right now, and it's produced phenomenal returns in the past, that does not mean those phenomenal returns are going to be guaranteed in the future. You guys have to take this into consideration. Take this into consideration. Sorry, I can't talk right now, but take this into consideration. QQQI is an investment. Just like any other investment, it can go south. With QQQI, the NAV can erode, the dividend can decline, and we can also see some dividend cuts. I mean, we don't know. I mean, especially if it's in the bear market. So guys, just keep a reminder of that. All right, guys, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you guys found this video entertaining and informative, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, guys, hit the notification bell. When you hit the notification bell, that lets you know when my next videos will come up. So hopefully you guys will do that, and hopefully you guys will watch more of my videos. I want to provide you guys with credible content and as much content as possible. So guys, 2 questions. If you guys are a lawyer or have been a lawyer, put it in the comments section. Also, if you are a QQQI ETF investor, please put it in the comments section. And if you are, how many shares of QQQI do you own? And also, how much money do you want to make off of QQQI ETF? All right, guys. Again, thank you for tuning in. I will see you guys in the next video.